Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into an epic blend of power, speed, and immersive gaming, the MSI Katana 17 gaming laptop, featuring the 13th General Intel Core i7, GeForce RTX 4060, and a massive 17.3-inch 144Hz Full HD display. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to grab this beast at the best discounted price available today. Gear emoji. Spec highlights. Processor, Intel Core i7, 13th Gen, lightning-fast performance for multitasking and gaming. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.5 support. Display, 17.3 Full HD, 1920 by 1080, at 144 Hz, large, fluid, immersive. RAM, 32GB DDR5. Smooth operation even under heavy workloads. Storage, 1TB NVMe SSD, ultra-fast boot and load times. Cooling, MSI Cooler Boost 5, stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Ports, USB Type-C, HDMI, and more, modern connectivity. Joystick emoji, gaming performance. The RTX 4060 handles every modern AAA title like a champ. Whether it's Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Spider-Man 2, or Starfield, you can game at high/ultra settings with 100+ FPS at 1080p. The 144Hz display makes every motion buttery smooth and immersive. Expect low latency, fast frame rendering, and zero stutter even in multiplayer battles. Clapperboard emoji, content creation ready. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a powerful Intel i7, this laptop isn't just for gamers. It's perfect for video editors, 3D designers, programmers, and streamers. Run Premiere Pro, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, or OBS with zero hiccups. Snowflake emoji, cooling and build quality. The Cooler Boost 5 dual fan system ensures temperatures stay under control without sounding like a jet engine. The chassis feels sleek yet solid, with subtle gamer aesthetics and RGB keyboard flair. Package emoji. Why choose the MSI Katana 17? White check mark emoji, massive 17.3-inch screen, immersive, cinematic gaming. White check mark emoji, RTX 4060 GPU, perfect for 1080p ultra gaming and ray tracing. White check mark emoji, 32GB RAM plus 1TB SSD, smooth performance with lots of storage. White check mark emoji, great thermals and cooling, game longer, stress less. White check mark emoji, modern connectivity, ready for peripherals, streams, and upgrades. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict, budget-friendly powerhouse. If you want a gaming laptop with desktop-class screen size, modern GPU power, and strong thermal management, the MSI Katana 17 is one of the best mid-range gaming laptops of 2025. It balances price, performance, and portability like a pro. Bullseye emoji. Don't wait, hit the link below and grab this gaming monster at today's best price before it sells out.